write dimensional formulas. How to write dimensional formulas? Actually, to write dimensional formulas, we are using units and we are writing directly. But we use formulas. That means we had here two methods. Method 1, when you are taking method 1, we can take formula for any thing, any term, any quantity. We can take a formula, we can find it. Formula, you can find it. Another method we are going means we can take here unit. To unit, normally already we are discussing this one, already you know, I think so, units. Now how we can write using a formula? Like density, we can take here density. Example we are taking means density is equal to mass by volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. Then what is, you can take mass means, so that's a fundamental physical quantity, there is no changes at all, mass only. But volume, when we are taking, this is a derived physical quantity. Already you know, derived means what? We are defining from other physical quantity. Like a volume means length into breadth into height. Length we are measuring with like length only. Length is a physical fundamental physical quantity only. Breadth, that's nothing but length only. Height, length only. So whenever we are going to take here mass, kg, that's nothing but mass, capital M. So how much is their power? 1 only we had. Now length, these three are, we can nothing but lengths only. So multiple of 3. So L power what will get? 3 will get it. So you can write normally M power 1, L power 3 we can take up now, L power minus 3 will get it. So what is the time we are getting here? There is no time at all. So time is become 0. Time power is 0. This is a dimension you need to write from the formula. Now whenever we are taking through a unit, what is the unit for the density? Density unit, what you can take here? Kg per meter cube. That's nothing but kg m power minus 3. So kg means what? Mass. So mass power how much we had? Only 1. So what is the length? Meters means nothing but length only. So L power minus 3. So there is no time. So T power 0. See, from the unit what you are getting, same thing we will get as formula also. So please remember it. These two methods we are learning means so much easy. Whenever to write dimensional units, dimensional formula is so much easy for us. So M power 1, L power minus 3, T power 0. What you are getting here, same thing we will get here also. Okay, then only that's a correct answer. Okay, wow. So another example you can take here, another example you can take like area we can take. We can assume easy way area we are taking time, length into breadth. Both terms are remaining, that's nothing but both are length only. So what you can take here, length is nothing but m, there is no mass at all, so m power 0. So length and into breadth, so L square, so L power 2, T power 0. There is no time, there is no mass, so mass power 0 and time power 0. And unit side we are coming means, what is the unit of area? Area unit is nothing but meter square. Directly you can take here from the unit. So there is no mass power 0, meter square you are getting here. So L square, T is, there is no time at all, so T is power 0. See here MLT. So why sir we are taking always MLT only or no? We can get as a temperature. These are different formulas we had here. So we can take in that method also, that's not a problem. But in the normal method, basic method I am teaching you. In the further classes we will discuss the difficult from the difficult formulas also we can discuss it. Another example you can take here, work done. What is the formula for? W is equal to Fs. That's nothing but force into displacement. Force is into displacement. Force into displacement we are getting. Force into displacement we are getting here. Then the force, what you can write here? Force is nothing but acceleration. That's nothing but mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration into displacement. That's nothing but we are getting here. Again, mass is nothing but what you can take mass only, that is a fundamental quantity. Acceleration is nothing but velocity by time. Change in velocity only, delta you can take here to get, you should not get confused. Okay, velocity by time into displacement. So mass into velocity. Velocity is nothing but again what we will get here, distance by time. Velocity is nothing but distance, or displacement by time we are taking. Then the time we are getting down means time. Time into time we will get it. That's nothing but displacement. Now we can write easily how to write dimensional formula. Mass is nothing but fundamental quantity. So only mass power 1. Distance is the into displacement we had. So m power how much we had? L power is nothing but 2 we had. Why? L into L. So L square. So T power 2 is there. But time is we are getting here 1 by T square. Okay, this one we are reciprocal and we are taking up means T power minus 2. We are taking to numerator means we will get a T power minus 2. So T power minus 2 will get it. Easy, no? Easy. Now in this one again we are taking through like a unit method we are taking time. What we will get here? So unit wise we are taking time. What we will get means, see here, the work done is equal to force into displacement. Then the force is nothing but newtons, displacement is nothing but meter. Newtons you can take again, this one we can take right as a mass. Mass is nothing but kg, acceleration meter per second square into meter. Okay, now kg you can get a meter into meter square by s square. We can write in simple way in the m power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2. S power 2 we are getting up means what we get here? kg meter square s power minus 2. See, kg meter square s power minus 2, m power 1, kg power mass power 1, L power 2, T power minus 2. Okay, so both are equal, same only, no? Both are same. So we can take two methods and we can derive easily the dimensional formulas. Okay, thank you all of you. Prepare well. If you have any help in any concept, please text in the chat box. Thank you.